Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair the fisheye that occurred in my hood and my trunk. So I'm using 400 grit sandpaper with an interface pad. Okay, right there. The thing is, the 400, it's a little aggressive, but I know I have enough clear on it that I'm not going to cut through. So after that I'm going to go with 600. And with 600, more than likely, I'm just going to re-clear it. If not, I'll continue with 800 and so forth so that I can buff it out. But let me just show you what I'm doing so that you can kind of know as to what you need to look for. Alright guys, right here you can see all the fisheye. All of these little dots is a fisheye. So all I'm doing, I'm going to be sanding it until everything is smooth. All the little fisheyes are gone, so that's all I'm going to be doing right now. So let me just fast forward as to when I'm done. I don't want to keep you here just watching me sand, but all I'm doing is taking the 400 and sanding it all the way until I don't see any of the fisheyes, any of these little dots, until I don't see any of them. Alright guys, all the fisheye has been taken off with the 400. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start sanding it with the 600 just to smooth everything out. And either I'm gonna recoat it, or I'm just gonna continue with higher grit so that I can buff it. I'm gonna see how it goes, so let me just start sanding it with the 600 now. Okay guys, real quick, I sanded the entire hood with 600, so it's all good. On this area is 600 still. On this side, I don't know if you can tell the difference right there. On this side, I sanded it with 800, 1000, and right now I have it at 2000 grit. Okay, and as you can tell, it's nice and flat. All the fisheye is gone, so I'm gonna sand it one more grit, which will be 3000. Then I'll start buffing it. I just wanted you to see the difference on the sanding grits. But I'm gonna continue sanding this with 800, and then 1000, 2000, and 3000, and then I'll just start buffing the entire hood. I'm gonna do that to this. I think it'll work out real good. So I'll bring you back once everything's sanded down up to 3000 grit, so you can see the final sanding grit, and then I'll just start buffing it. Alright guys, and that was the 3000. The way I sanded with the 3000, that's the way I sanded 800, the 1000, 2000, and then the 3000. I added water. I said that's why you see all that splatter, but I did it with water, and that's it. You can see that the shine's coming out already, but it's in 3000 grit right now. So right now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start buffing the hood and bring that shine back. And you see how quick the shine's coming out. All right, so let me just finish the entire hood and I'll bring you back once I'm done. I'm gonna be doing the same thing that you just saw. And there it is, guys. It's been buffed. Right there, you can see the shine. This is a compound that I'm using. It's from 3M. It's called 3M Perfected. And that's it. That's it. I have a video that shows you how to buff completely. I'm gonna leave it in the description below if you want to go see it, so that you can see every single step. All right, so there it is, guys. This is one way you can eliminate the fisheye. Only if it's on the clear. If it's on the paint, there's no way to fix that. You're gonna have to repaint it. Okay, so only if it's on the clear. This is the way. This is one of the ways for you to fix the fisheye. All right, let me go to the trunk and start on that. All right, guys, the hood is on. It's ready. Now let me start on the trunk. I'm gonna do the same process. I'm gonna start sanding it with the 400 and then 600 and so forth. All right, so let me continue. And this one's ready, guys. I sanded it with the 400, then I went back and sanded it with the 600. Now it's ready. What I'm going to show you here is the other way of fixing the fisheye. All the fisheye has been eliminated completely. So now I'm just going to float coat it. All right. I'm gonna flow coat it. I did have a couple of cut throughs right there, which I will fix when I'm painting it. When I'm flow coating it, I'm just gonna add a little bit of paint, just flow coat it, and I'll be good. All right, let's go to that step. Okay, everything's ready. I'm gonna use a small little touch-up gun in order for me to touch up those little areas. So let me get started with that and come back and flow coat it. Alright guys, and there it is. This is the flow coat. It came out real nice, real shiny, and all the fisheye is gone. So there's another way you can do it. And you saw the first method, which is buffing it, which the Grand 7 is extremely easy to buff. Comes out real nice, real glossy, and like glass. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video guys. I hope you guys learned something. And guys, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And there's more videos to come guys. So thank you, be careful, take care, and like always, God bless.